Good morning, boys and girls. Have you ever wondered what latitude and longitude is? Well, today we're going to find out. Okay, so let's take a look at lines of latitude. Now, latitude lines. There is a line in the middle called the equator, as you can see right here, and it is our 0 degree mark. So, if we go above the equator, we're going up towards the north, as you can see right here, north. Now, if we go below the equator, we're going to the south, towards the south. So that's why we say that lines of latitude run, as you can see, they run north to south, okay? Or south to north, however how you'd like to say it. So these are called lines of latitude. So let's sing the latitude song to help us remember what latitude is. And it goes like this. I'm climbing the ladder of latitude, latitude, latitude. I'm climbing the ladder of latitude all around the world. So, as you can see, we have our equator right here, our 0 degree mark. And if we go up, it runs up towards the north. If we go below the equator, it runs down towards the south. So there's our latitude. Alright, so let's take a look at longitude, lines of longitude. And I'm going to draw so you can see visually what lines of longitude look like. Alright, so the difference between lines of longitude. Lines of longitude, they have a middle line, like lines of latitude, but this middle line runs straight down the middle, and it's called the prime meridian. Now, as you can see, they're very tall and very long, and this is the 0 degree mark right here. And so, as you can see, they keep going further and further out. But the thing is, they're running this way. It's kind of like a ripple in water. It runs out from the center where it was touched. So if I go 20 degrees this way, that is going to be 20 degrees east. Now if I go 10 degrees this way, that'll be 10 degrees west. So lines of longitude run from east to west. So let's sing a song to help us remember. It's a long, long way from pole to pole, pole to pole, pole to pole. It's a long, long way from pole to pole, and we call those longitudes. Okay, so now that we've talked about lines of latitude and lines of longitude, let's put them side by side and look at them closer. So lines of latitude, they run from north to south. It's like you're climbing up a ladder. So I'm going to draw, and so you can see here. Alright, so this right here is called the equator, and it is at 0 degrees. Now if we climb up, if we go above the equator, we're going up, so that is north. So it runs north. Now if we go say 20 degrees below the equator, we're going south, so it'll be 20 degrees south. So now let's take a look at longitude. Longitude is different. We have the middle one, which is also 0 degrees, but it is called the prime meridian, as you see here. Now, these run from east to west. So if I go from pole to pole, 20 degrees this way, it is going to be 20 degrees east. Now, if I go 40 degrees this way, it will be 40 degrees west. So as you can see, all of these lines are running from east to west. And that's the difference between latitude and longitude. Congratulations! You now know what the differences are.